Good morning, students. So let's start off with our second topic from the subject Generic Skills and Entrepreneurship Development, GSED. It's in continuous with the first one, GSED. First topic we have done Generic Skills Development and its introduction with its importance. Now the topic is Global and Local Scenario of GSD, Generic Skills Development. Generic skills are known by number of terms overseas, such as core skills, key skills, common skills, employability skills, necessary skills, and so on. So in some countries they are specifically employment related, while in others they have been placed in their social relevance. So let's go through with the terms used in various countries to describe generic skills. So first of all, it is UK, United Kingdom, core skills, key skills and common skills. In UK, key skills are defined as those relevant to a person's learning, career and to personal life, and with a strong emphasis on their application to employability. They comprise a list of skills, the three basic skills such as communication skills, numeracy or the application of numbers, and use of information technology, IT. And in a wider way, as in Australia, key skills or key competencies, they use them for working with others skills like team working skills, improving own learning and performance, and problem solving skill. Canada also has generic skill programs since 1970s, like many other countries. The recently revised employment skills has 2000 plus scheme, including fundamental skills, communicate, manage information, use numbers, thinking and solving problems, personality management skills, teamwork skills, and so on. Further, as we go on, in US, necessary skills are the major generic skill scheme of the early 1990s, and comes under basic or foundation skills like literacy, numeracy and communication, then higher order thinking skills, interpersonal and team skills, and then global setting and positive self-worth, as in self-esteem we have studied. Singapore, critical enabling skills, and France, transferable skills. So these are the some countries where the generic skills development scenario varies in the following way. Thank you for today. Medha Walia.